Probability exercises 29 and 30. 29. Giving a test to a group of students, the grades in class are summarized below. If one student was chosen at random, find the probability that the student was a sophomore and earned an A. So that means that that person would have to fall into both categories. So I think we see that this 10 right here would be the number of people that were both sophomores and earned an A. So that will be 10 out of 65, which will reduce to 2/13. 30. The table below shows the number of credit cards owned by a group of individuals. If one person was chosen at random, find the probability that the person was in their 20s and had 2 or more credit cards. So the same idea, they would have to fall into both categories. So they would have to be in their 20s and own 2 or more credit cards. And I believe we see that that would be 19 people. So 19 out of the total, which was 81, will not reduce any further.